Introducing the On-Off Ramp feature. Buy and sell instantly in the AirGap wallet. No KYC is required for buying and selling, up to 1,000 Swiss francs a day, 15,000 per month or 100,000 per year, or the equivalent in other currencies. For this service we partnered with the Swiss provider Pelerin. How it's done. In this short guide we will use the bank transfer method. Launch the AirGap wallet. Select your currency account for which you want to buy or sell. Choose either buy or sell. Choose between bank transfer or by card. Choose what currency you will send and how much. Enter your phone number, which is your unique identifier to log in. Read the exceptions carefully. Enter the code you have received via SMS and click Next. Enter an email address, where you will receive notification emails about your transactions. Follow the instructions to make your bank transfer. You will receive a notification as soon as it was received. That's it. The funds will be automatically added to your AirGap wallet.